don't think I should do this to a rental car. Whoa. It's a kind of a disappointment, but I'm not gonna take that chance. Too much too much money riding on it. So I'm heading back down. What I'll do is attach a camera to the windshield, and you can see some of the narrow switchback road. I drove all the way up from the valley down by the Colorado River. I hope I can turn it around here. If I dump it off the cliff, I'm gonna have a hard time getting my deposit back. So I'm trying to change things up a bit. I left the camper and the truck in Michigan, flew out to Salt Lake City, and for the next 2 weeks I'm going to be car camping out of the back of an SUV. And my first campsite is it's on Potash Road, right between the Colorado River and these looming cliffs that are used for rock climbing. Somebody's got a long way to go. These are Indian petroglyphs that are 1,000 years old, probably at least. Some of them haven't held up too well to modern influence. That one's been shot to heck. Check this out. This blue rock up here is called desert varnish. And it's kind of shining blue in the sunlight today. The natives used to love to carve in that stuff because of the contrast. But I'll head around the bend and off the end of Potash Road, which is paved, and head out to Schaefer Trail, which is off the end of the pavement, and maybe look for a place like Thelma and Louise Point. That seems like a good jumping off point for the day. I think I'll grab a snack and head up on those rocks. Man, I love just scrambling around on the rocks here without anybody around. So way up there, there is an overlook at Dead Horse Point State Park. And 500,000 visitors come there every year. And they all look down and take pictures of the Canyonlands, and they see this road down here and they go, wow, look, there's a road down there. I wonder what that is. Well, it's this, the Schaefer Trail. Sun is going behind that mountain over there, and the shadow has just reached my tent. So now my tent can start cooling off. It's been sitting out in direct sun at 80 degrees all day. Okay, the trail climbs right up the bare rock right here. Gotta head back down to camp. It's almost dark.